This video is for educational purposes to not use for illegal purposes.
First, open the Play Store and download Termux. After it is downloaded, open it and type this command to update and upgrade. It will take some time to upgrade. Now install the packages from this command. My packages are already installed for you. It will take some time. Now open Chrome and type Zphisher. Now open the GitHub link and scroll down. Copy these commands and run in Termux. After that, type that Zphisher. For you, it will take some time to install the tools. Now select the template of which you have to create the site. In Termux, we don't support these, so that you have to select local host and it will host on that. For sending this outside of your network, open New Terminal and type the following command. After that, your website will be hosted. Make sure do not use it for any illegal purposes. It's for educational purposes. Now for testing, open the link in the browser and type some credentials. It will be received to you on Termux, and it will be saved in a file. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe. If any problem occur, contact on my Insta or Telegram, which is in channel bio.